There's Ginger, there's Skittles, there's Rushy. I'm rolling the camera. Mommy's doing the dishes. I don't know where he is. You used to have to roll the cameras to make them record.
Used to, yeah.
Wow, that probably got your arms tired.
Oh, yeah. I'm sure it would.
Skittles, go meet them by face, not butt. The butt doesn't see you. Ginger.
Not that attractive.
Come on, Ginger.
Or nice smelling.
Come on. Okay. There. Aww. That's cute. Go on. Go meet him. Go meet Rush. This is his last day here. Then he's gonna be back at his own house. Who will?
So they say.
I don't think Ginger wants that.
You don't think so?
Izzy definitely would.
Yeah, she's not too. She doesn't like anybody but her. I don't even think she likes herself.
Really?
She's so damn miserable. Yeah. Really.
Skittles! Man, Skittles does not respond to her name. Do we need to name her something else? Do we need to name Skittles something else? Because she doesn't listen to her own name.
Just chooses not to listen.
Ginger listens so good, don't you think, Mommy?
Pretty good.
She always looks at you when you do. Watch, I'll show you. Ginger! That's what she does.
Oh, I was looking to see what she did.
No, I was doing the example.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
He's looking low.
Yeah. Skittles, hi. Aww. He's just not playing with us. Well, he is getting old. He can't play as much.
He's scared that if he played with you, he'd scare you half to death.
Yeah.
And I would. They'd freak out if he started playing.
The way he does, yeah.
Right. How he plays is not like how a cat plays.
Oh, look at... Oh, never mind.
What did you think was going to happen?
I thought he was going to start following her all around and chasing her.
Oh, no, he doesn't chase cats. He knows they're scared and he's good about that.
Yeah.